up? This is Ari Attempts. Today we're making cinnamon buns. Pour the milk, then the butter. Heat it up. Let's pour in a whole package of yeast. Wait 10 minutes until it gets foamy. Add a little salt. Pour some of the flour in. Time to crack the eggs. Mommy's doing this part.
At this point, the dough is quite sticky, but we do want to incorporate all of those eggs really, really well before adding in the rest of the flour. Once you've added in all the rest of the flour, you do want to knead this on a floured surface. If it's too sticky, just add more flour. Lightly coat a bowl with some vegetable oil and place your dough ball into that bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and either place this in a warm spot in your house, or I like to place it in my oven where I know that things are more temperature controlled.
Time to make the filling. Yummy cinnamon and yummy sugar. Mix with plenty of butter. Wow, look how big that dough got. We let it proof for 1 hour.
With no additional kneading required, just take that dough ball and place it on another floured work surface and then roll it out nice and thin.
Try to sprinkle the filling.
Don't worry if things don't look super perfect. You're going to cut off those little imperfect ends, but you do want to try to make sure that you don't have too much leftovers that are just going to get tossed out. Crimp those edges in so that nothing falls apart. Try to use a sharp knife while doing this, while making sure that you're not crushing those cinnamon buns. Place the buns a little bit apart, and don't worry, they will end up touching after they proof again. They looked like this after about 20 to 25 minutes of rest time.
My little brother loves cinnamon buns.
These were baked at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 22 minutes. Afterwards, I poured this glaze on top, which is super easy and super straightforward. Everything is explained in the recipe link below. We just love trying out other people's recipes and learning something new.
It's delicious cinnamon bun. So much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the CD fam. Aria Attempts every Monday. Bye.